and indicate direction of current or charge, means it is going along x-axis. Now these fingers bended to 90 degrees, means initially x-axis but it is converted to y-axis, means magnetic field is acting along y-axis. Then the thumb also rise to 90 degrees, rising slowly and become like this one. This thumb indicate the direction of force. So we can simply remember, thumb indicate the force means father. Father is there. Next one, magnetic field, mother. Next, current, child. Father, mother, child. So first of all, child is there. When you bend the child to 90 degrees, then appear who? Mother. After that, open the thumb 90 degrees, then indicate the father. On this basis principle, we can derive the derivations. Suppose here I have to consider a charge plus q charge. What I apply formula, that is for what charge? Positive charge. Now it is moved with a velocity v velocity. It is moved in a straight line mode. How is moving here? Straight path. Now here we have to apply a uniform magnetic field into the board. Into the board means field lines are entering to the board. Now you can observe that here the charge is moving straight line up to this region one. Now here it is going like this one straight. It is going like a straight. Now here when we enter here, what happen automatically? Magnetic field is acting. How the magnetic field is acting here? To find the direction of magnetic field, you bend your fingers to 90 degrees. Now you are bended to 90 degrees. That means it is into the board. అంటే 90 degrees కి bend చేయాలి. Bend చేస్తే automatically magnetic field direction వచ్చేసింది. This is the charge or current direction. ఇది charge and current direction అనుకున్నాం. When is enter into the field, you bend it to 90 degrees. The bended fingers indicate the magnetic field, that is also 90 degrees. Okay. Now you raise your thumb. Raising your thumb to 90 degrees means in what direction? Upward direction. Means when it is enter into the field, what happened? A force is acting on it. In what direction is acting means the force is acting on the charge particle is in upward direction. So force acting in upward direction. That is the meaning of this one. So here, how much of the force is acting? That is called as magnetic force. This magnetic force value you have to find. What is the magnetic force? Means here we can choose the terminology. F is the force, magnetic force. That's we can write as Fm is equal to, here we apply the magnetic field. B magnetic field is applied. So due to this B magnetic field acting on a charge Q, which is moving with a V velocity. So magnetic force formula what you write here? BQV. BQV. Suppose the charge will be enter, make certain angle with this one. Then what is the formula related to this one? Means F magnetic force Fm is equal to BQV sin theta, where charge Q is the charge, V is the velocity and V is the magnetic What is the reason for deflecting the charge? When a charge is in motion around that one, what is developing a magnetic field lines are developed. Maybe a current or charge is going there, and what is developing the magnetic field. When charge is at rest, no magnetic field lines. When charge is in motion, when charge is in motion, magnetic field lines are developed around it. So around this one also magnetic field lines are developed. Now here already a magnetic field is there, and due to charge also another magnetic field is there. So two fields are there means automatically a force is acting on the charge. That is the meaning of this one. Why? Because simple condition. Here you have to assume a bar magnet. Now it can be moved with a certain velocity. Any opposition is there? No. It can be easily moved from one point to another point. Suppose at certain distance we are placing a bar magnet like this one. Now here any effect is there? No. Here also any effect is there? No. Here also no. But this is the region where that means another field is there. Now you are reaching this point. What happens automatically? You reaching this point means you observe that this field will be opposed by this field. So what happens automatically? You have to try to move after further one. What happens automatically? This magnet does not move in a straight path. What happens automatically? It will be tilted. Tilted means direction will be changing. Why direction is changes means force is acting. What force is acting? Magnetic force is acting. Why magnetic force? Field lines are magnetic field lines. What is that one? Magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines are there means magnetic force. So here a magnetic force is acting. Here we can be simply observe the case with a simple two chalks. Here a bar magnet is there. Now already a bar magnet here is there. Automatically like this one. You can observe. Now here is there. Another one is like this one. It is moving towards what here? Up to a region. What is that one? In the region will be reaching means it does not move in a straight path. It will be deflected like this one. It does not go in a straight. It will be deflected like this. What is the reason? Why? Because here also field lines are there. Due to this one also field lines are there. No two field lines are intersect with each other. Two field lines never intersect with each other. Then what happens automatically? It will be change its directionality. So the directionality will be changing for what? To change the direction, compulsory what is required? Force is required on the another conductor. So due to that one what happens automatically? It will be changed its directionality. It is moving upward direction. Similarly, upward or downward depend upon the rule. Similarly, this is not applicable to understand. ఇది మనం అప్లై చేయకూడదు దీనికి. ఎందుకంటే మనకి ఒక ఫీల్డ్ వచ్చింది. ఈ ఫీల్డ్ ద్వారా అంటే చార్జ్ ద్వారా ఫీల్డ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. మ్యాగ్నెట్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవట్ల. ఇక్కడ ఒరిజినల్గా ఉన్న మ్యాగ్నెట్ ఇది. ఇక్కడ చార్జ్ అనేది మోషన్లో ఉండటం ద్వారా ఇక్కడ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయింది. అది అక్కడే స్టాపబుల్లా? నో. ఇట్ ఈజ్ రన్నింగ్. ఈ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ చార్జ్తో పాటు మూవ్ అవుతూ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అంతే. అంటే దట్స్ పర్పస్ ఐ టేక్ యాజ్ ఏ మ్యాగ్నెట్. బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ తీసుకున్నాను అంతే. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ మూవింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ దిస్ వన్. వెన్ కమ్ టు నియరెస్ట్ పాయింట్ what happen automatically? This is fixed, does not change. But what happen automatically? It does not reach the nearest point, automatically tilted. Why tilted means field lines are there, automatically force is there, two forces will be opposed. Similarly here also the charge is motion means field lines are around it, but any other field is there? No, it is going in a straight line only. When reaches the field, what is that one? Reaches the field automatically. Here one field is there, that is applied field. This is the applied field. This is called as the developed field. So one of them is the developed magnetic field, one of them is the applied field. Applied means you only apply here. But here automatically due to charge motion it is developing a field. That field is magnetic field. When these two fields are there, automatically a force is acting on it. That force is called as the magnetic force. What is called the one? Magnetic force. So this is a magnetic force is acting on a charged particle. So this rule can be applicable for positive charge. Now my question is that one, suppose instead of positive charge I consider a negative charge. Okay, understand sir, but I have to consider a positive charge sir, I consider a negative charge. Now this negative charge is move with a v velocity and up to it is reaching. Now here we apply the magnetic field. Now here again I apply the magnetic field into the base. Now up to this one field is developed around this one also, like this one. Okay, now it is entering the field like this one. So here a field is there. Up to this one any deflection is there on particle? No, it is moving in a straight line only. When enter in this region, already here applied field is there. Now this one is a developed, what is it called? Developed magnetic field. This is a applied, what I am applied here due to bar magnets or any one of the technique we apply the applied field here. When entering in this region, there will be two magnetic fields are there. Automatically it will be suffers to a deflection. In which direction it will be deflected? Upward or downward? Means okay. Previous case positive charge means I am going like this one. Straight line is going. So charge or current is going straight line. When we are enter into the field region, then what happened? Field direction is into the board now. We are going like this now. No. After that, when you enter the field region, you have to bend your fingers to field direction. ఇక్కడ దాకా మీరు కరెంట్ డైరెక్షన్ చూపించారు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కరెంటే ఉంటే దాని ద్వారా ఫాలో అవుతాం. బట్ హియర్ ఏ ఫీల్డ్ ఆల్సో దేర్. ఫీల్డ్ ఉంది. ఆ ఫీల్డ్ కోసం చేయాలి ద ఫింగర్స్ కెన్ బి ఫోల్డెడ్. ఫోల్డ్ చేద్దాం. ఏ డైరెక్షన్ ఫోల్డ్ చేద్దాం? ఇన్ టు ద బోర్డ్. మీన్స్ ఇన్ టు ద బోర్డ్ రావాలంటే ఎంత డైరెక్షన్ బెండ్ చేయాలి? వీ కెన్ బెండ్ ఇట్ టు 90 degrees. So it is bended to 90 degrees. Okay, direction of magnetic field also satisfied by thumb fingers. Now here thumb is there now, we can slowly rise up and make as 90 degrees. Then the force is upward direction. So I will choose as force is upward direction. Okay, understood this one. But here a small mistake is there. What is the mistake? I can be say this rule for purely for positive charge only. Means this force we are finding for what charge here? Positive charge. But here given what charge is there? Negative charge. Now how will be satisfied? Means they said one logic. You don't bother about that. Maybe a positive or negative. You can apply for negative or positive. You don't feel in mind. First of all, what the formula you know, that formula you can be applied. Then you can check. If a positive charge means no need to change the directionality. If negative charge is there means the direction will be opposite to the positive charge only can be considered. Means here positive or negative charge is there. Positive means upward correct only. But if it is negative charge means you don't consider the upward direction. What is your direction? Is a downward direction. That is a negative downward direction. So in this way they give a clue also for this one. Why? Because sometimes he give as electron, sometimes he said the proton, sometimes he have said the deuteron, like and neutron also you have to say. A general question is there. What is the question is there means what is the, when a proton is moving with a certain velocity, okay, proton is moving along east side, east way, and magnetic field is applied into the base, then what is the direction of the force? What is the direction of the force? Force direction we have to find out. How will we do? Simple technique. Here also same thing we are doing. So this is moving what direction? We can make as like this one: north, east, west, south. So current charge is moving along the east direction. So it is going like this direction. Okay, understood? So first of all I apply like this one. Next it is into the page. Into the page means cross. Means it can be bended into page means into the board also. Na? You are going like this one. He said that one word magnetic field is applied into the board means immediately you turn your fingers to 90 degrees. Why? Field lines are enter into the page. Now open your thumb. Thumb indicate what is the direction means it is going in upward direction. So force is north. The same situation can be applied for the electron. Electron can be applied. Then what happened here? Current is going eastward only, magnetic field into the base only. But what about the force is acting on it? Means at this time we can apply for positive charge, reverse the directionality. Directionality reverse means what is the direction here? South direction. That means magnetic field lines are south. That means magnetic force acting on it is a south direction. So this is also a basic one. Suppose I take as a neutron. What is the? What I take here? Neutron I will take. When a neutron is in motion, then what happened? Means here force is 0. Force is 0. Why force 0? Here we can apply the formula F is equal to BQV. As neutron have its velocity, V velocity. What about the charge of the neutron? Charge of the neutron is 0. 0 and everything is 0. Any force is acting? No. Now what is the direction? How the direction moving means it is neutron is moving east direction only. There is no direction, change in direction, no force. Then how the neutron? Initially east only. After certain time also, by entering the field, what is the direction? East only. Any change in direction is there? No, not at all. No change in directionality. Similarly, here you have to take the neutron. Neutron and the next one you can take the alpha particle. Alpha particle doubly positive charge. Positive means your direction is what direction? Upward direction. If negative charge means downward direction. So the force is acting in a positive way in upward